Alright, so I'm having difficulties with this shifter. It's very loose up until about there. And in fact, last night I couldn't even shift. I had to like hold the shifter in the first gear. I couldn't even use that just to get to this park spot. And it turns out that it's probably an issue with the brake fluid. So it's so strange. I've been developing quite a history with this. So it's gyroscopic. You don't want to have it exposed to the air for very long. See a little bit in there. That's what's strange. It's like it really needs to be topped off high. Okay, so I spent $327 for brake fluid. Alright, so I'm gonna just oh Jesus. I needed to open it more. It got really low. It got really low. Alright, I think I see it now. There it is. Okay, okay. Get it back in there. Gyroscopic. Right, so I put brake fluid in, and it's still a very loose shifter. The brake fluid was low, but the shifter is still very in bad shape. Nope. I was told you pump the brake. Shifter's still pretty loose. You're supposed to pump the brake when you got the brake fluid in. Nope. So there's something else. There's something else wrong with the shifter. Yeah, it is a little loose on the sideways deal. Yeah, I can't shift in the gear. So filling up brake fluid and pumping the brake isn't helping. Cause I push in the shifter. Okay, and then I can't. Yeah, it's just not able to do anything now. Alright, $180 and next Friday for when you can do it. And today is Tuesday, so it wouldn't be this Friday, it'd be next Friday. So what else could it be? It's a little loose on the sideways. Alright. But it's just too loose. For some reason. I just don't know what else to think of it. Something in there is not working right. Let me just add, I can't tell if this is leaking or not. You just can't. It's wet, but I just assume it's just from my wetness. So that's not really a great measure. I don't know what to think of this.